Stacy Anderson, a sales manager here at Lichtsinn RV.
How long have you worked here?
Almost 9 years.
What is your favorite thing about working here at Lichtsinn RV?
You know, the employees we work with are amazing, but more importantly, the people that we help purchase RVs, it's just a dream come true for them, and they get to travel the country and accomplish their dreams of travel and enjoying life.
If you went on a week-long RV trip, where would you go?
To Florida. I absolutely love Florida. I love spending time at the beach. So just kind of cruising the coastline down to the Keys and back up would be an amazing trip for me.
Awesome. And what do you like doing in your free time when you're not at work?
Just spending time with family and friends. I have 3 active kids who are still involved with playing sports and coaching on the side. So just following them along and spending time with them and just enjoying life.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
Thank you.